Hi, friend. Hey, bud. All right. Welcome back. All right. So this morning, bright and early, Mr. FedEx. No, it was Amazon. Amazon showed up this morning and brought me some more items. I'm excited about both of these items. The first, if you watch me at all, you know that I'm plagued with lighting issues. We live in the Pacific Northwest. It's gray all the time, even in the summer. I mean, it's the middle of August and it's been gray for 4 days. The barn I work out of is my little barn here. Lighting, I've been working on it forever. It works good for me, but as far as for cameras, it doesn't work worth a shit. So, today, hopefully, we're going to try this product out. We picked up some high bay lights. I got 2 high bay LED lights that we get to look at today. I'm going to probably install these off. I'll do a video after they're installed, probably set up somewhere in the barn here, and you know, kind of where I do most of my filming, and see if they benefit us. I think one spot is right here over this bench that I happen to be doing that right now. So this part of this video right now is with before I install one of these lights. I got 2 of them, so we're going to try it out and see what they do. So the second thing I got is 5-point harnesses. I keep seeing these ads on Facebook, so I thought I'd try them. I'm sure they're made out of Chinesium and all that stuff, but Aces Racing, I could not find where they were manufactured. Oh, they were. This one, nope. Still can't find where they're manufactured. I kind of glanced at one box here. Let me grab it. This morning, sitting on the porch with my coffee, and I went with a gray or a silver. They're pretty nice looking. I mean, I'm not competing racing with this thing. These are going to go in forest. I might get some for brown truck when I get to that point, but I do have an event that I'm thinking about doing. There's I don't know if you've seen the Mountain Mayhem and all that stuff. There's a couple classes that are less aggressive, and I think I might enter one of those with forest and give it a shot. Middle of September, so it requires me having some 4 or 5-point harnesses. I'd have to relook at the rules, but I think we're going to give it a shot this year and go and see if we can't beat the shit out of it. Probably break it, but it requires harnesses. So I picked up some harnesses, very cost effective. I've had better quality, I can tell you that right now, that some pretty good ones over the years, but buckles, they look nice. I like the look of them. They're simple. And if you watch me at all, you know I love stickers. I don't know why, but they got some pretty cool stickers, so, and a mess of them. So I picked up 2 of those. Those will be in a video later. We'll put the link in the video description, so look there if you're interested in them. But they're called Aces Racing. I've seen their ads on Facebook and all that stuff, so I figured I'd try them. Like I said, it was like $60 a piece. Very cost effective. All they gotta do is hold my butt to the seat and my passenger. So first thing we're gonna do is try out these lights. Let's do that. Alright, so here's the box. This is our light. So let's get rid of this other stuff right now. I haven't done my official, I don't need that box. So put this stuff all back in here. I'm going to set these over to the side. I'm going to install those later this weekend, I think. Alright, so let's check out these. So these are my high bay, this is what they call the high bay LED light. Let's see if we can get better there. Alright, you guys don't want to look at me anyway. So, alright, comes with a decent sized cord. I don't need this gadget. That can go, almost made it. But, so, high bay LEDs, I think they're like 150 watts, but I am plagued with lighting issues when it comes to the barn, so let's give these a shot and see. So, before, alright, so here we are before. I have it installed on the ceiling there. I just put a quick eyelet in. Put a quick eyelet in. Knock the cord off, of course. Put a quick eyelet in because I just want to test it and see. They're probably both going to go in here, up here high, up above, but for test purposes, I want to see what it does. So this, let me get you back down here. There we go. So, all right. This is before, and I'm all goofy. Let me jump on the ladder and plug it in real quick, and let's see. Drum roll, please. All right. Oh shit, yep. It is definitely brighter. But it kind of casts a shadow over my face, which my beautiful face here. So, yeah. Definitely brighter where I'm standing. I mean, the workbench is lit up great. You could probably see that a lot better. Definitely got a shadow, but the workbench, one of my benches here, I think I'd be plagued with trying to find, oh, that'd be high. Anyway, so, yeah, I mean, it is definitely brighter. However, it kind of casts a shadow over my beautiful mug, but, yeah. Gonna have to do a little bit of playing around with them, but there's a quick video on the new lights I got. We'll see if we can get them to, might have to take more than just the 10, 15, 30 minutes, whatever it was. Stick an eyelet in, hook it up, plug it in real quick. Might have to do some lighting arrangements, but we'll get it figured out. So, all right. Thanks for watching this one. Like, subscribe. This is just a quick one. Product thing. Those are bright. You can't stare at those. I need sunglasses, but work surface is great. Filming, yeah, we'll see. Yet to be determined. Thanks.